Hello student, let us start this next topic of motion in one dimension, that is velocity. What is velocity? In speed we have called what is the definition of speed? Distance traveled per unit time is called speed. Here we can say that the displacement per unit time is called velocity, or we can give another definition. Velocity is equal to next definition of velocity is equal to distance traveled per unit time in particular direction is called velocity. Or next definition of velocity, another definition of velocity is speed with direction. Speed with direction is called velocity. So here two things need in velocity: first speed and second directions. So velocity may be defined in different way. First way, displacement per unit time is called velocity, or distance traveled per unit time in particular direction is called velocity, or speed with direction is called velocity. Vector quantity. Velocity is vector quantity because it has magnitude as well as direction. So velocity is vector quantity. It can be represented as u as arrow, v arrow, or arrow. The formula of velocity is displacement by time So the SI unit of velocity is equal to displacement. The unit of displacement is meter and unit of time is second. So its unit, the unit of velocity is meter per second. In CBSE system, unit of velocity is equal to centimeter. Unit of displacement is centimeter and unit of time is second. So unit of velocity in CGS system is centimeter per seconds. Velocity, types of velocity हम लोग नेक्स्ट पढ़ेंगे. There are four types of velocity. First, uniform velocity. It is also called constant velocity. Second, non-uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity is also called variable velocity. Next is instantaneous velocity. And next is average velocity. So let us start with first, what is uniform velocity? Uniform velocity, start with first type of velocity, uniform velocity. What is uniform velocity? Whenever it travel equal displacement in equal interval of time, then the velocity of body is called uniform velocity. Here 2 points is important. First, equal displacement, and second, equal interval of time. Means if a body travels equal displacement in equal interval of time, then the velocity of body is called uniform velocity. As for example, if the velocity of body in first second is 10 meter and the velocity of body in next 1 second also 10 meter, and if the displacement of the body in first second is 10 meter and the displacement of body in next 1 second is 10 meter, if the displacement of body in next 1 second is 10 meter, here displacement is equal in every equal interval of time, so the velocity of body is uniform velocity. We can give another definition. If a body